Under 5 minutes, I'll try to give you my setup and my settings for the Govee TV Backlight T3 Lite. So if you are not happy with the results that you are getting, stay tuned until the end of the video. Hi everyone, Marcus here from madpack, and if you love tech and if you love discounts, this is the place for you because everything that you see here on the channel have links on the description below. And today we are going to talk about how to set it up, the Govee T3 Lite, and how I have it on my living room and what is my settings and what is the setup. If you have seen my other videos related to how to calibrate the Govee T2, this is not the same, so it's slightly different. First of all, you don't have the same issue that you had with the Govee T2. With the Govee T2, you were forced to put the camera on the bottom. With this one, you don't have to do because of the design of it and the camera quality. It's so much better. It's so much better with this one, and you don't have to do anything. When we talk about calibrating, it's very easy. Just follow the steps that obviously Govee gave to you to set it up, and you'll be ready to go. But obviously my settings are essential for you to get the best results in here. So the first one is about brightness. Unfortunately, you can't have the brightness is 100%, 80%, 60, 50, or even 45. You continue to be forced to have the brightness at 40. And I would like to explain the reason why. Because the LEDs, even if now they are RGBic, so you have LEDs specifically to control the white balance on your LED strip behind your TV, they continue to don't have the best response when we talk about red colors and skin tones. So for that reason, if you have the brightness in the maximum, everything gets really red. So you need to bring that brightness down. And when we talk about brightness, you also have like relative brightness. So you can say that you want the top with 60, 70, 80, 90, 100%. So you can also control that, but I will leave as it is 50% on each part of the TV. The other main part is color calibration, and it's super important this. And once again, if we look to the profile of this RGB, the colors are really intense. It's the most intense RGB LEDs that I have tested on this channel. And the saturation, unfortunately, once again, I need to bring down to 1% because of the skin tones and the reds, they are too red. So saturation 1% like it happened before. And also when we look to the white balance, before it was like you have like different lines to put through. Here now is in percentage. So in this case, I'm using only 10%. So it goes towards the blues. So in that way, you are really far away from the reds. And that's the only way that you can calibrate a bit better your light. Also, you have the option game and movie. I have put it in movie and not obviously changing all in once. So in that way, obviously, it's going to be more dynamic. If you want to set it up the camera on the bottom, I have done a specific video about how I set it up the Govee T2 on the bottom, links on the description below, if you want to do the same with the Govee T3 Lite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face, and I hope to see you in the next one.